What's up guys, have you ever wished you could use your phone without even touching it? With Microsoft Phone Link, your Windows PC become your smartphone control center, so you can make and take calls, reply to texts, check and dismiss notifications, share your photos, and yes, even launching and use your Android phone apps all straight from your PC. Stick around because in this video I will show you how to stay connected, save time and boost your productivity all without even taking your phone out of your pocket. So first let's open the phone link app on your laptop. Then once you open it, it will show you the Microsoft account that you have been logged in. So please make sure the Microsoft account on your laptop and on your phone is the same. Then after you confirm that, on the below it shows choose your device to get started. So mine is Android. Then it will generate the QR code that you will scan on your phone. So let me scan this code on my phone. Then after I scan it, it will generate the code that I need to enter on my phone. So let me enter this code on my phone. So once I enter the code on my phone, Microsoft also generates get a code to sign in. So I need to send a code to my email address, and once I receive the code, I need to enter it here. So once I enter the one-time password sent to my mail on the prompt, it will start to connecting my device to the laptop. So it show you all file accesses on this phone link. So it shows like view and manage your phone file in File Explorer, share file between your phone and your PC, view and manage your phone photo to phone link. So I can continue here. So now I'm able to access my phone on my laptop. So let me get started. So on this part, you will see that my device here and the open icons like the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the SIM connection, the battery percentage. So I can here disable and enable the disturb mode off. So I can manage this here. So the other thing is on this right part, you can see that here on the message part, I can access the message history of my phone. I can even create a new message to my contacts. And the other part is on the phones part, I can access the images that is being stored on my phone. So I can even copy this to my laptop. And the same on the apps part. You can see all the installed apps on your phone. So even you can launch any app that is on your on your phone. So you can even access it. Oh, that is interesting, right? Then on the call part, to make and receive call from your PC, just connect your device with this PC to start dialing. So let's get started. So to access phone calls, please make sure that your Bluetooth is on, both on your laptop and on your phone. And then you can access the phone histories here. You can access your contacts as well, and even you can also dial any number that you want. Okay, let me toggle my Bluetooth. So once you confirm the Bluetooth on your phone and your laptop is on, you can even call and you can even accept calls. And the other interesting part is you can even access the full screen on your phone. So on the apps part, open phone screen, but make sure that your phone device is unlocked. So you can access your phone screen. So you can open any app that you want. Here even you can access the file explorer. And you can even copy any file from your phone to your laptop and from your laptop to your phone. You can copy any file and even from my laptop to my phone. Oh, that is interesting. Let me close this. So now you can able to control your phone on your laptop. So all these steps can work on your end as well. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.